Here's your home by the sentinel trees, where the world makes its offering at the altar of beauty. Greetings everyone, this is Ruparna Mukherjee from DAV Model School, Durgapur, West Bengal, and I am here to speak on the heritage of my state. If you ask Bengalis to name an iconic seat of Bengali culture, 9 out of 10 would say Shantiniketan. Nestled in the heart of Bengal, Shantiniketan is not merely a place. It is a sanctuary where nature and intellect embrace, where the rustling leaves whisper verses of forgotten dreams, and where art, education, and spirituality converge in timeless symphony. Shantiniketan has a rich history. Rabindranath Tagore's father, Maharshi Debendranath, discovered this place in one of his travels. He named it the Abode of Peace and made it his spiritual retreat. When Rabindranath Tagore came here, he started a Brahmacharya ashram, or a religious school. Gradually, with his international outlook, he brought students from all across the country and the globe to this place. During the horrific days of the First World War, Tagore started to think of establishing an international university. Yatram Vishwam Bhavati Ekanidam, where the world makes his home in one single nest. With this motto, Tagore gifted Vishwa Bharati to the world in 1921. Shantiniketan aspired to heal humanity's greatest wound inflicted by the war. So, to develop an understanding through education and cultural dialogue, Tagore wrote his seminal poem, Bharat Tirtho. Hemo Chitto Punno Tirthe Jagore Dhire এই ভারতের মহামানবের সাগর তীরে. He calls for the spiritual awakening of mankind through this poem. It has been written in our scriptures, Atithi Devo Bhava, asking us to realize that the divine comes to us as our guest, claiming our homage. And Vishwa Bharati is India's invitation to the world, her offering of sacrifice for the highest truths of mankind. Today, this university stands as the greatest international center for learning, and Tagore calls it the cargo of his life's greatest treasure. There were two ideas that inspired Rabindranath Tagore: the environment and its impact on education. He suggests that a child's mind can be best stimulated by the variety of the environment, and therefore education in Vishwa Bharati takes place under trees, where the mind of the child is at one with the mind of nature. The second idea was on the importance of performative arts. Therefore, in the curriculum, performance and creativity play an important role. Throughout Shantiniketan, we find beautiful sculptures and walls decorated with frescoes and murals. This land has been the birthplace of Nandalal Bose, the man behind the intricate illustrations of our Indian Constitution, and also Binod Bihari Mukherjee, a pioneer of a modern Indian painting. The Kala Bhavan was established to encourage music, sculpture, and fine arts. Tagore himself wrote some of his greatest literary works, including the Gitanjali, which won him the Nobel Prize. Eminent personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, Satyajit Ray, and the renowned economist Amartya Sen have borne the greatness of this virtuous land. Shantiniketan is the breathing testimony of Tagore's vision. The legacy of Shantiniketan's essence can be recalled through the poet's immortal words, Jahan Mastishk Dar se Mukt ho, or Jahan Gyan Swatantra ho, where the mind is without fear and knowledge is free. Shantiniketan also reminds us of the things that we are slowly losing. A world where knowledge is not confined to books, where creativity is not bound by rules. In an age when education is measured in numbers and heritage is reduced to nostalgia, Shantiniketan stands as a forgotten poem, waiting for us to recall its verses. Thank you.